If I tell you that this is not a tiger nut drink, will you believe? Hi, my faves. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you another healthy alternative to fizzy drinks. This is millet. So go to the market and ask them to give you millet. I got 2 cups for just 400 naira. Imagine making this with just 400 naira. First, you have to pick out all the stones and chaff from the millet. Wash thoroughly and soak overnight. The next day, you will see that it's as if it's about fermenting. Well, that's good. Do you know the health benefits of fermented foods or drinks? Well, that's lesson for another day. So, to my millet, I added dates for sweetening, ginger, and about 5 to 6 pieces of chili pepper. Well, the chili pepper is optional. I just added it for the heat. So you can decide not to add it. So pour everything into your blender and add clean drinking water and blend. After blending, pass through a cheesecloth or sieve. So I used a sieve because I didn't have a cheesecloth. So use whatever sieve you have that is very tiny to pass it through it. And do you know the health benefits of millets? Please tell me in the comment section if you know some benefits of millet. Well, let me tell you a few. One, is gluten free. Two, it regulates your blood sugar. For those that are managing their blood sugar, this is another healthy drink you can be taking. It boosts your immune. For immunity support, it boosts your immune. Also good for managing weight. So for those that are managing or watching their weight, this is another healthy drink you can add to your drinks. Your list of drinks, I mean healthy drinks. It's high time we stop taking all these fizzy drinks. You can't tell the number of damages or the amount of damages it causes to your health. Eat clean, eat healthy, and your body will thank you. Eat healthy for once. So this is my millet drink after I've sieved it. So I added 2 spoons of sugar because I noticed that the date I added to the millet when blending wasn't really enough to sweeten it. It wasn't testing the way I wanted it to. So I had to add 2 spoons of sugar. So when you are making yours, you can decide to add more dates, so that the sweetness can come out. Theater girl, add more dates to your own when making it. I hope and I believe you will give this a trial. Please do, and you will thank me later. So imagine making this with just 400 naira. I mean, less than 1,000 naira. Imagine making it with just 400 naira and compare it with the health benefits of this drink. Tell me, why wouldn't you make this thing? Please, I will advise you try it. Thank me later. Make sure you come back to this post and thank me. At this point, please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, I'm begging you, please subscribe. Please subscribe and hit the bell button. Bye.